unboxing video. I got my knife right there, the box right here. As you can see what it is. I'm gonna have to stop the video so I can be able to open it. Y'all give me a sec. Alright, we almost got it. We gotta pop these holes out. Man, my bad, y'all. I'm trying to do this shit one-handed. Camera has shut off. Alright, I finally got the clips loose. Man, folks, they got fucking protected as hell. My bad, yo. God damn. Got some of the hardware right here. Another piece right here. See what the fuck it's called. It's for the axle. Ooh, this hole clean as hell. Got the U-bolts in here. I think this is the plate. Hell yeah, it's a whole kit. There's more stuff down here. Once I get back, I'm gonna take everything out, have it all cleaned up. Alright, y'all, I got all the parts separated. That's how everything is. The hardware's in here. U-bolts. With the C-section, you already know. I know all these parts, but I just can't remember the name of everything right now. Feel like an idiot, pero pues ya saben. It is what it is. All stainless steel. Powder coated black.